I let AI control my money for 30 days, and by day 7, I discovered why most people stay broke for life. Most people don't realize the biggest threat to your money isn't the economy, it's your daily decisions. Do not say what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. I thought I understood money until I tested this. You work hard, salary comes in, bills come out, money disappears. Every month ends the same. You promise to save, but never do. That was my life. I tracked nothing. I kept asking, where did my money go? And here's what hurt the most. It wasn't laziness. It wasn't low income. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Here's the truth. The problem isn't your income. It's the decisions you make automatically. Your brain manages money emotionally. Impulse spending, comfort buying, unconscious habits. Your money follows your behavior, not your plans. So I removed myself from the equation. I let AI decide my spending, saving, and budgeting for 30 days. And what happened completely changed how I see money forever. Something surprising happened after day 7. My money stopped disappearing. We think financial control means discipline, but AI showed me something different. Money doesn't grow from motivation. It grows from systems. Wealth isn't willpower, it's automation. For the first time, my money stayed. I wasn't battling my habits anymore. The system was working for me. As James Clear said, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. That's when I discovered 3 powerful rules. Rule 1, remove emotion. AI tracked every expense. No justificación, no excuses, just clear data. Most people don't realize emotions drain more money than bills. Fear, impulse, and comfort quietly destroy financial progress. Rule 2, save before spending. The system moved money instantly into savings. No negociación, no delay. As Warren Buffett said, do not say what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This single shift changed everything. Rule 3, controlled spending. AI set daily limits. No impulsivaing, no emotional purchases. Every expense had boundaries. This rule was the hardest and the most powerful. After 30 days, my bank account changed, but something inside me changed even more. I didn't just gain control of my money, I gained control of my decisions. What surprised me most people would never survive Rule 3, because managing money isn't about numbers. It's about behavior. As Tony Robbins says, success in money is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics. That truth became real for me. The experiment didn't just grow my savings. It rewired how I think about spending, saving, and financial freedom. Now here's what I want to know. Would you let AI control your money? Comment yes or a no. I want to know. And if you want the exact AI tools I use to transform my finances, tell me.